thing about the Sportster is I've got a particular vision of what I want it to look like. One of my main influences is Rick's Motorcycles. They have classic Sportsters with the peanut tank and everything like that, but they got a big old 240 tire on it, and it just looks mean as hell, so that's the direction I'm going to go. But I have been riding this thing, and there's some deficiencies that I want fixed. The peanut tank at 2.1 gallons only has a range of about 60 miles, and where I live, that's a no-go. I can barely get through town. So in this particular video, tank, gonna swap that out, and 3-inch lift might make it look pretty boss, so stick with me. And that's about it for the 48 tank swap. Don't forget to reinstall your fuel pump cable and cover and your main fuse. Now what you're seeing here is after the wire tuck and coil ignition job. Those videos will be dropping soon, so be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. How's about that custom paint, huh? Let's get a like for those classic hot rod flames. I feel strongly about standalone episodes on individual tasks. As someone who searches YouTube for how-tos myself, I appreciate when topics aren't mashed together, getting me lost in the sauce. You'll also find this entire series in the TSF Sportster 48 build playlist on the TSF channel. It's like a TV series listed on Netflix or Prime. Episodes are released bi-weekly for now, and eventually you'll be able to binge the whole series whenever you want. And I appreciate you stopping by the TSF channel today. We'll see you out there.